As our work has got more complicated, we've got information and data spread across several spreadsheets now, and it is easy to pull information from different worksheets within the workbook onto a home page to simplify the data. So let's over here, we've got some totals here for dogs, and we've got some yes, no's and maybes, and maybe we want to pull all that data into this home page here for simplicity's sake. So let's just put in here dog total, and let's put in here yes total, and we're going to extract that data from these sheets here. And what we can do is we can click on here and click on the equal sign, or we can just start up in the formula bar as well. But we want to, what we want to do now is copy the cell address from another worksheet into here. So I want to click on yes total. I know that's on the home survey page, so I'm going to click on here, and I want to click on cell 16. So the address now is home survey, in quotes there, exclamation mark C13, press return, and that data is now being copied across from this page here into here. So we can copy data between worksheets. Let's do it again for sheet 3. So I wanted to, let's see, we want to know how many animals we've had an entire week. So let's go click in here, equals sum, and then I'm going to do that range there, 232. So I now want to put the total dog and the total animal on the front page here, total dog. So let's do total dogs, goes to click up here, type in equals, click on sheet 3, click on total dog, return, and we've got 106, sign equals sheet 3, this one here, return 232. And that's how you can share data between sheets, just by using the equal sign and giving it the address. If you look on this here, you'll see the address. It's equals sheet 3, site E13, and this one will be the name I've given to it, called home survey, again in single quotes with the exclamation mark.